Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to write emails with DeepSeek AI step by step. Whether you need a professional business email, a job application email, a customer support message, or a simple personal email, DeepSeek can help you write it in just a few seconds. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, so let's get started. First, open the DeepSeek website and sign in to your account if needed. Once you're on the main chat page, click New Chat to begin a new conversation. Now click inside the message box and type a prompt describing the email you want to create. For example, you can type, "Write a professional email requesting a meeting." After typing your prompt, click the Send button or press Enter on your keyboard. DeepSeek will generate a complete email with a subject line, greeting, message, and closing. If you need a different type of email, simply change your prompt. For example, you can ask DeepSeek to write a job application email, a customer support email, a thank you email, or a follow-up email. You can also ask DeepSeek to make the email shorter, more formal, or more friendly depending on your needs. Once you're happy with the result, simply copy the email and use it in your email application. That's how easy it is to write emails with DeepSeek AI. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.